Good morning, sweetie. It's time to wake up for school.
5 more minutes, Mom, please.
Okay, but then it's time to get dressed and have breakfast.
All right, Mom. I'm up.
What would you like for breakfast today, darling?
I would like some cereal, Mom.
Sure thing. Would you like some fruit with it?
Yes, please. Strawberries, please.
Okay, coming right up. Did you pack your bag, sweetie?
Yep, Mom. All done.
Don't forget your lunch and water bottle.
Okay, Mom. Got them.
Have a great day at school, sweetheart.
Thanks, Mom. See you later.
Remember to listen to your teacher and be kind to your friends.
I will, Mom. Love you.
How was your day, dear?
It was good, Mom. We learned about animals in science class.
That sounds interesting. Well, go take off your uniform and freshen.
Mom, I am very much hungry.
Sure, sweetie. Your favorite pizza and milkshake are ready.
Oh, that's great. Thank you, Mom.
It's 7 p.m. now. Go and do your homework.
Okay, I will. Mom, I did my homework. Can I watch TV for some time?
Sure, but not for so long. What are you doing now, sweetie?
Mom, I am playing computer game.
It's 10 a.m. Go to bed, sweetie. You have to wake up early.
Good night, Mom.
Good night, my dear. See you in the morning.